Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix PS5 controller won't connect to PC. Go to Windows, search bar, then type Bluetooth. Then select it to open, then turn on the Bluetooth. If you already connected to your controller, then go to three dots and click on remove. Take small pin. Now turn the controller back. Insert the small pin into the small hole. Now press and hold for about 5 seconds. Now press and hold PS and share button. Hold the buttons until lights will flashing. Now from the PC, click on add device, then go to Bluetooth devices, then click on your Bluetooth controller name. If it is not connecting, then use the USB cable to connect your controller to PlayStation. By following these steps, you can fix PS5 controller won't connect to PC.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.